Well, alright, y'all. Well, this old video here, it's about changing an old tire to one of them press owners. Now, I'm doing this today because I installed this 50 more horses mold truck. Mold drum ain't sitting back behind this rim. So I got to put me a little old spacer in there. We're just going to take this old thing off here. Same thing you do with a flat tire. Easy peasy. Let's get them old lugs off there. Now we can take this old donut off. Set that aside while our old lady's sitting in the air conditioner. Take just one of these here spacer rings. Sure we get the right fit. Right in there, just like it. Put her old donut back on. I can done feel her breathing more horsepower right now. Oh, bullseye. Man, you're going right. You just can't just put them on there because you want to. Oh, they like it. They like it. They like the home. Put all 8 lugs on there and your presses. You're gonna need every one of them with all that horsepower. sure you get one of these NASCAR impacts too. They'll make it fast. Good to go. 50 more horses right there. Now, I ain't playing with y'all. This is how you boost that horsepower in your press. You just bust them old lugs off there. You on the press, you ought to have one of these here impacts. Don't let the FedEx driver come by. Get your old lady from you now. You got to get them old donuts out. Once you locate them. Them bad boys off there. Now, the only reason I've done this is for the horsepower upgrade. I had so much horsepower that it was throwing my brake shoes all over the place. Come here, you big teddy bear. Alright, you got her old. You got her donut off. Yeah, we're gonna put her magic on. 50 horses engaged. Now we're gonna put her little teddy bear back on there. Oh, 80 pounds of him. That a boy. Instantly, 50 horses. So we done installed 100 horses. Just a few minutes. You can't beat that with a stick. That's like instant upgrade. Man, I can just feel them horses sweating. They're ready to run, son. sweat horsepower by the hour. These horses gonna run, son.